Hello students. So here in this question we have to match the equivalent fractions and write two more for each of them. Fine. So to reduce them into equivalent fraction, we to match them basically we have to reduce them to the lowest form. Let's do it one by one. For the first part, 250 by 400 is given. Okay, so if we divide by 50 by 50, we will get here as 5 upon 8. For the second part, it is given 180 upon 200. Fine. So if we divide this value by 20 by 20, we will get 9 by 10. For the third part, we have been given 660 upon 990. On dividing it by 330, we get 2 by 3. Similarly, for the fourth part, we have been given here as 180 upon 360. So if we divide by 18 by 18, so on solving, we are getting here as 1 by 2. For the fifth part, 220 divided by this 550, if we divide by 110, then we will get here as 2 by 5. Fine. So we have got all the values. Now let us match them. So the first one, it matches with 5 by 8, that is D. The second one, 9 by 10, matches with E. The third one, 2 by 3, matches with A. The fourth one, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 matches with C. Fifth one, that is 2 by 5, it matches with B. Fine. So we have got the required answer. Now we have to write two more equivalent fractions. So two more equivalent fractions for each we can write. So the first one was 5 by 8. So if we multiply 5 by 8 into 2 by 2, we get 10 by 16. And if we multiply it by 3 by 3, we will get 15 by 24. For the second part we were having was 9 by 10. So if we multiply it by 2 by 2, we get 18 by 20, and for multiplying it by 3 by 3, we get 27 upon 30. Fine. For the third part given was 2 by 3 basically. So multiplying it by 2 by 2, we get 4 upon 6, and into 3 if we do, we get 6 upon 9. Fine. For the fourth part, in the fourth part we were having 1 by 2. If we multiply by 2 by 2, we get 2 by 4, and multiplying it 3 by 3, we get 3 upon we get 6. Similarly for the last part, 5. So in 5 we were getting 2 by 5. So multiplying it by 2 by 2, we get 4 by 10, and multiplying it divided by 3 by 3, we get 6 by 15. So we have answered all the required things here. In this question, we use the concept of fractions, reducing fractions, and equivalent fractions. So I hope you understood this question, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.